Hey beautiful people, my name is Rahul, and in this today's video, I will be showing you guys a feature that I built a prototype which is not available in Google Meet. So the inspiration, like how I got this idea, is from a tweet by Anshul that he states that he is using Twitter Space a lot, and when he is attending his team meetings he is not able to find the emojis like 100 smiling and hand emoji. So from that tweet I got a thought, why not to try this out? And when I searched on online, I didn't find any of such feature that Google Meet is gonna launch or is already available. So let me show you the prototype. So this is the design. So we have the initial screen, and here we have co-host, host, and the same stuff, not nothing much changed. And when someone will click on it, like this, emojis will come up, and these are the screens of the animation that it is coming from the face of the person itself. So let me show you the prototype of it. So this is the prototype. I will go with the full screen, and yeah. So here it how it will be looking like this, and when you click on the love type of icon, which is same as it is in the Twitter space, so when you click on it, a pop-up comes up where you can find all the emojis. Like for now I just have these 6 emojis, but later on we can add more and can come as a vertical tab. So if I click on this smile emoji on my particular thing, it comes up and goes off automatically. So let me show you again this. And when I click on it, the love icon, it as I clicked on it, it goes little bit dim so that user understands that he clicked on it. So when I click on the icon, it comes up from my profile picture. So yeah, so that's the prototype of this Google Meet emoji feature. If you like it, share it with your friends. And uh, I am just tweeting a lot about design. And if you wanna see if you wanna see my content, follow me on Twitter. And I will see you guys in another one. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.